How do you draw buildings in three-point perspective? Like this? No, then watch this video. Hi guys, my name is Mobeen, and today I want to teach you how to draw objects and buildings in three-point perspective. Let's go. Look at this milk carton in this perspective. What do you understand from it? We understand that if we follow the horizontal lines from both sides, we reach 2 points. Well, this is the same two-point perspective, which, if you consider the middle line of the building's column, the lines on the left side of the image are connected to the point on the left, and the horizontal lines on the right side of the image are connected to the point on the right. Missing a point? That is our third point, which, if we continue the vertical lines of the building, we will reach 1 point. We call this image three-point perspective. These examples were for the three-point perspective of the top view. But in the bottom view, the same rules must be observed. While previously our third point was at the bottom and the vertical lines were connected to the bottom, this time, the third point is at the top, and the vertical lines of the building are connected to the top. The horizontal lines on the left and right are connected to the left and right points. As always, here's a small tip. Take a screenshot and use it for the exercise I put in the description. If you don't know how to draw 1 point and 2 point perspectives, don't miss this video. My name is Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.